Alright, what's up everybody? So, check this out. We've got the MXR 140. Now, look at this. I got no brakes. So, I think we had a little bit of a mishap. And I think I might have lost some fluid. I don't know how. There's just a tiny, super tiny little bit of oil, brake fluid on the front tire. So we are going to check this real quick. Don't mind me being out of breath. The MXR or the XJR. Okay, XJR 110. Battery's dead, so I had to kickstart that little thing. Kind of sucked. Oh yeah, look at that. Bone freaking dry. So, if you got a problem with your front brakes, let's see. This calls for .3. Oh look, we just so happen to have some .3 right here. We are going to dab a little into there. Ooh, a little. I mean a lot. We're going to fill that full. And actually, let's pull this brake a few times. Alright, I don't know how well you can see this, but here's the front brake. Here's the bleeder valve. So I've got a 5/16. It's a little too big. You may want to get a millimeter. I don't know which one it's gonna be, but we are going to pump. Let's see if I can stand here. We're gonna want to pump the brakes, and then we're gonna want to release that. Let a little fluid pop out. I'm gonna pump the brakes again. Hold it. Let a little fluid come out. Pump them again. All right, folks. We are making progress on our brakes. We've basically had to do this quite a bit, actually. Looks like there was a lot of air in the lines. Just sitting over time. But we are officially making progress to where we are gaining our brakes back. So now I'm getting to a point now where it is stopping. So progress. There was a lot of air in there. So anyways, that's that. Now, I'll show you this real quick, but you can see it's kind of squirting some fluid out there. Before it was just squirting air, but you know, now I've got brakes where before it was going all the way. So, if you're having problems with your front brakes, bleed your brakes, you should be fine.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.